everyone, it's Bobby Stearman here, and in this video I will show you how to change your Django project source code that is A, sitting on a DigitalOcean droplet, and B, has Gunicorn and Nginx installed. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So on my screen here, you can see that I am using Mobaxterm, which is a SSH client. It allows you to connect to a DigitalOcean droplet. And it also, if you look on the left-hand side here, it has an SFTP panel, which allows you to navigate directories like you would on your local machine and change source code in those directories, in those files. So that is what we're going to do now. We are going to actually look at a website that I've got here. This is digcoding.com. And what we're going to do, we're going to change this from saying easy coding to hard coding. Okay, that's what we're going to do. If we go into my Mobaxterm, we need to locate the file that has that. In this instance, it is home. Bobby did coding. It will be templates. No, it won't. It will be main templates, and it will be index. So that will open up this. So you can see we've got settings open, we've got index open, and you can see here. So I can manually change this code. Of course, you can, using the SFTP panel, you can drag and drop files, and that's a nice, easy way of doing it. But just for this tutorial, I'm going to change this to hard and save it. We'll say yes. Now, if I go back to this and update it, nothing changes, okay? The reason it doesn't change is because we're using Gunicorn and Nginx. So to make that change happen on the, or be rendered on the front end, we need to first restart our Gunicorn service and restart Nginx. You do that by going in here and you say service. Now it can sometimes be called Gunicorn, but I've called this did coding because I have numerous different projects on this particular server. Restart. And then to restart Nginx is sudo systemctl restart Nginx. That'll take a few seconds to do that. There you go, we've done it. If we now go back into this and update, there we have it. Hard coding. Brilliant. So I've just showed you how to update your Django source code that is situated on a DigitalOcean droplet and is using Nginx and Gunicorn. I've enjoyed making this video. I hope it's been useful. I'm Bobby Stearman and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.